Let's draw a pig.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need if you wanna follow along is markers or crayons. Let's go on our drawing adventure. We're gonna start with a nice round circle for the head. And on the inside of the circle, we're gonna make an oval. And that oval is going to be the piggy's nose. Let's add 2 nostrils inside the oval. Above that, we're gonna add 2 eyes. For my eyes, I like to use dots. Then we have the little ears on the piggy, which are 2 triangles. So 2 pointy ears. The body of our pig is going to be another oval. This is actually made of a lot of basic shapes. We have circles, ovals, triangles, and you're gonna see the feet are gonna look like little rectangles, and we're gonna add those under each side of the piggy's belly. If you guys ever need to pause the video because I'm going too fast, or you need to replay a part, that's perfectly okay. Now for the tail, we're gonna do a little line with a squiggle. You guys remember, I love adding squiggles whenever I can. I think they're so fun. Then, since Piggy's like rolling around in the mud, I think we should add some spots all over this pig where we can color in mud. So I'm gonna add some here, then I'm gonna add some there. While you guys finish up the steps I've shown you so far, I'm gonna tell you about our word of the day. Today's word is curiosity. Curiosity means you're eager to learn and explore new things. And I think when you're an artist, you have to have a lot of curiosity, which you guys are so good at. And now we're gonna color inside the lines. I want my pig to be pink today, but you could literally pick any color and make your pig however you want it to be. Don't worry too much about staying inside the lines. It's okay if you mess up a little bit. The important thing is that you just keep practicing. Now we're gonna fill in the spots where I think there should be some mud on our pig, because piggies are usually always really messy. So we're gonna fill that in with some brown. There we go. Adding in those spots to make our piggy look like it's super messy and it was just rolling around in the dirt at the farm. And there you have it. You guys did an awesome job following along with me today. Today's featured artist is June. Here you can see she has her ice cream cone and her butterfly right next to each other. She did such an amazing job. If you want to be our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com to submit your photo. Remember, with your imagination, the sky is the limit. So keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on our next drawing adventure.